Namaskar, India Meteorological Department welcomes you in Daily Weather Briefing. Highlights of today's daily weather briefing are that the heat wave conditions over East India are likely to abate, likely to end from day after tomorrow, and over South Peninsular India they are likely to end from 7th of May. Although the heat wave conditions have already significantly reduced over Gangetic West Bengal or Odisha, as well as this is in the heat wave conditions are in reducing trend over South Peninsular India as well. And then we are expecting a wet spell over the country, over most parts of Northeast India, over East India, and then along the East Coast, and then over the South Peninsular India as well. And this wet spell may also result in isolated heavy rainfall with the thunder squalls during the period of 6th to 7th of May. So if we talk about the observed weather conditions, so the heat wave conditions have been observed with the severe heat wave conditions at one or two places of Gangetic West Bengal, and heat wave conditions over Odisha. And except this, also heat wave conditions have been observed at one or two stations of Tamil Nadu and interior Karnataka, and as well as Rayalaseema and Telangana and coastal Andhra Pradesh. But as we see if we look into this maximum temperature departure map, which we have been showing here every day in our daily weather briefing, so we can see that this red color over this region as well as over the region of South Peninsular India has reduced from deep red to light red, and it will by tomorrow or day after tomorrow it will completely vanish. So now if we come over to synoptic situation, so we have a cyclonic circulation over Savimal West Bengal and another cyclonic circulation over Marathwada and neighborhood, and we have a trough line of low pressure area between these two cyclonic circulations, and due to this a lower level convergence zone has formed along this east coast, and strong southwesterly winds are flowing through this across the along and off the eastern coast, and these moist laden winds are likely to give rise to thunderstorm activity over East India as well as the eastern coasts of Odisha and coastal Andhra Pradesh. So here if we see, so first of all if we talk about the abatement of the heat wave conditions, so we can see that a few stations of Gangetic West Bengal may today as well report heat wave conditions, but they are very close to come out of the heat wave conditions, as their departure is just 1 degree above the heat wave threshold. And then so today there is orange color for Gangetic West Bengal, and but for Odisha it is only yellow color, and tomorrow the orange color of Gangetic West Bengal goes away, and we have only yellow color for Gangetic West Bengal and Odisha. That is only one or two stations of these subdivisions would receive heat wave conditions, and also one or two stations of Chhattisgarh may receive heat wave conditions tomorrow and day after tomorrow. And thereafter if we look into the 6th May warning map, so entirely this eastern coast has become free from heat wave conditions. Although on today and tomorrow the heat wave conditions with the orange color warning, yellow to orange color warning is likely to continue over interior Karnataka, over Telangana, or Rayalaseema and coastal Andhra Pradesh today and tomorrow. But day after tomorrow this heat wave conditions is likely to completely vanish from the peninsular India as well. Although due to the westerly wind regime in lower tropospheric levels, the temperatures over West Rajasthan and Saurashtra and Kutch, and also over some stations of West Madhya Pradesh may come into the grip of heat wave conditions. That is, departures may come closer to 4.5 degrees centigrade from the long period average, or the one or two stations may even come closer to 45 degrees degree centigrade. Except this, there is no heat wave conditions possibility over the country during next over the northwest India and central India during next 5 days. Then if we come over to the heavy rainfall warning, so first of all, if we look into the lower tropospheric features, so we can see that the north-south trough is today running from the sub-Himalayan West Bengal to Marathwada Saisar, and as we saw that strong moisture-laden winds of 20 to 30 knots are running along and off eastern coast. So under the influence of this, we are expecting isolated rainfall activity along the eastern coast today, and then this rainfall activity is likely to increase from 5th of May night, and thereafter we are expecting a strong moderate to intense thunderstorm activity over East India, as well as moderate to intense thunderstorm activity over South Peninsular India, and as we can see over Gangetic West Bengal, this thunderstorm is likely to be severe on 6th of May, and it may also give rise to the thunder squall activity, that is the winds may reach above the limit of 50 to 60 kmph, gusting to 70 kmph over Gangetic West Bengal, and these areas of Gangetic West Bengal over Bihar and Jharkhand and also over Odisha, they may receive scattered to fairly widespread light to moderate rainfall during 6th to 8th of May, with the probability of isolated heavy rainfall activity over Gangetic West Bengal on 6th and 7th of May, over Odisha on 7th of May, and also this heavy rainfall activity is likely over South Peninsular India as well. So over South Peninsular India also the rainfall activity is likely to similarly increase from tomorrow, and during 6th to 9th of May there is a likelihood of significant rainfall activity over South Peninsular India. As we can see over here that scattered to fairly widespread rainfall activity is likely over Andhra Pradesh, over interior South interior Karnataka and Tamil Nadu and Kerala on 7th and 8th of May, and isolated heavy rainfall is also likely over Tamil Nadu and over coastal Tamil Nadu and coastal Andhra Pradesh and Rayalaseema, as well as Kerala on 7th of May, and over Tamil Nadu, Kerala and South interior Karnataka on 8th of May. So that was about the peninsular India, the East India and the Northwest India. And now if you come over to the Northeast India, so here also intense thunderstorm activity as well as heavy rainfall activity is likely during 5th of May to 7th of May, where heavy to very heavy rainfall is likely at isolated places with light to moderate rainfall at most places over Arunachal Pradesh and Assam and Meghalaya and Tripura and Mizoram on 6th and 7th of May, with the possibility of extremely heavy rainfall over Meghalaya on 6th of May, and also isolated heavy rainfall is likely to continue over Assam and Meghalaya and Tripura and Mizoram on 7th of May as well. So that's all for today. Tomorrow we'll again meet with Delhi weather briefing for weather warning during next 5 days. Thank you and goodbye.